Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is again in the continuation of my previous videos, but my today's video contains a very beautiful and stylish matching handmade hand embroidered hats along with your face masks. Yes friends, you are going to get very creative, full, a very beautiful, decent and elegant package, a pattern through which you would look classy by moving out while you will move out, and at the same time you would stay protected from COVID and many other acute viral infections as well. So all of these masks are highly organic cotton, organic linen fabric made. They are usable, washable, and they are extremely designed with a beautiful and a comfortable design composure, like with supporting nose wire, with adjustable elastic ear straps, and many more different and creative beautiful design ideas. So friends, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, then friends, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And friends, not only this, from my channel you can get a wide variety of wide perspective of very beautiful, stylish, trendy and eye-catchy amazing ideas that how you can design your own face mask, your own hand embroidery patterns, your own dresses, your baby girl dresses, your home decor ideas, and many more different thousands of creative DIY, easy and simple, beginner friendly ideas related to the fashion world. So I have one more request to you, that friends, please make a habit of massively sharing my videos with your friends and family, so that not only you but your friends and family could also get many beautiful, creative and stylish ideas. And at the same time, please friends, play your part in becoming us a very large, remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members by subscribing us and by sharing our videos across different platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Insta. And thank you so much for watching.